Good afternoon, everyone. Today our next topic is demultiplexers. So demultiplexer is the opposite version of multiplexer. So in multiplexer we are having here 2 power n inputs and we are having single outputs. Right. So here if we have in multiplexer, if we have 4 inputs here, we are having one output. So in multiplexer the output should be 1. So demultiplexer means it is the combinational circuit which has single input and multiple outputs. Means the opposite of multiplexer is demultiplexer. Here we have one input, single input and many outputs. So this is 1 into 4. 1 into 4 demux. Whereas mux means 4 into 1 mux, demux means 1 into 4 demux. So multiplexer is known as data selector. In multiplexer, if we have 4 inputs here, we have to select any input. That selected input will get us output. But in demultiplexer, here we are having single input and many outputs. This is known as data distributor. Multiplexer is data selector, demultiplexer is data distributor. Means this specific input is distributed to many channels. Right, this specific input is distributed to many channels. So this specific input is coded as output to many data lines. Multiplexer is data selector, whereas demultiplexer is data distributor. This is the basic block diagram of demultiplexer. So now we will see the design of 1 into 8 demux using two 1 into 4 demux. So 1 in demux means 1 into 4. So we have to design 1 into 8 demux by using two 1 into 4 demux. So for this purpose I am taking two 1 into 4 demux. So this is demux A, this is demux B. For mux and demux there should be input, output and selection lines. The output depends upon the selection lines, not on input. Here also this is demux A, this is demux B and this is the single input 1 into 4. These are 4 outputs y0 to y3, these are 4 outputs y4 to y7. So for 1 into 8 we have 0 to 7 outputs. This is the single data input line and this single data input line is connected as input to second demux also. Now I am using here inverter because if one demux is enabled, the second should be disabled. If one is enabled, second is disabled. If this is enabled, this is enabled. For this purpose I am using inverter here because if I apply 1 here, this 1 will go to B demux and 0 will go to A because of inverter. So if I apply A here, 1 here, B is enabled and A is disabled. If I apply 0 here, B is disabled and A is enabled. And this B, C are selection lines. So S0, S1 are the selection lines. These two are common to both A and B. So here we are having one input. One input for both 1 into 4, 1 into 4, y0 to y7 inputs, one enable input to be only one demux in on and two selection lines BC. So this is the design of 1 into 8 demux using 1 into 4, two 1 into 4 demux. And your next topic is 7 segment display. So you all know 7 segment display. So the 7 segment display we mostly seen in railway stations, bus stations and in shopping malls. Everywhere we can see this. So this 7 segment display, SSD, 7 segment display is an electronic display device used for displaying purpose. So what we can display alphanumeric numbers means alphanumeric numbers means A, B, C or 1, 2, 3 or any other we can display. So this is known as 7 segment display or 7 segment indicator. 7 segment indicator, anyway anything we can call this. So how it can work means it will have 7 segment means it will have 7 lines means A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So if we connect all these 7 segments, so what was the number here? This is 8. If all lines are on, if A, B, C, D, E, F, G all are on, this number is 8. So if we want to display 0, so what were the on? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So if I want to on 0, so what was the output? A will be on, B will be on, C will be on, D will be on, E will be on, F will be on. 0 is disabled. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Right. If I want to on F, so what are the lines? F means F, E, A, G. This is on. So what were the lines on? A is on, B is off, C is off, D is off, E is on, F is on, G is on. So we can display anything alphanumeric characters. So either some special characters or no, not special characters, either ABCs or any number we can display by using this 7 segment display. So your work is write 0 to 10 and A to H for this 7 segment display and send me message. Thank you.